Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, let's see the pros and cons of Azure. Let's get into the video. The following are the pros and cons of Microsoft Azure. Azure pros and cons. Here is a list of pros and cons for using Microsoft Azure. Pros. Integration with Microsoft products. Azure integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft products such as Windows Server, Active Directory, and Office 365. Hybrid cloud capabilities. Azure offers robust hybrid cloud solutions, allowing you to connect on-premises infrastructure with the cloud. Scalability. Azure provides scalable services that can be adjusted according to your business needs. Global reach. Azure has data centers across the globe, ensuring low latency, access, and redundancy. Comprehensive security. Azure includes a wide range of security features and complies with numerous regulatory standards. Wide range of services. Azure offers a diverse set of services, including AI, machine learning, LOT, and blockchain. Cost effective. Azure's pay-as-you-go model can be cost effective, and it offers various pricing options to suit different needs. Developer tools. Azure provides a rich set of developer tools and supports a variety of programming languages and frameworks. Cons. Complex pricing. The pricing structure can be complex, making it difficult to predict and manage costs. Steep learning curve. Similar to other cloud platforms, Azure has a steep learning curve for new users. Outages and downtime. Although rare, Azure can experience outages that may impact business operations. Vendor lock-in. Using Azure's proprietary services can lead to vendor lock-in, making it challenging to switch providers. Service limitations. Some services and features may have limitations or not be available in all regions. Technical support costs. Premium technical support comes with additional costs. Resource management. Efficiently managing resources to optimize costs can be challenging. Migration challenges. Moving legacy systems to Azure can be complex and time-consuming. Does this give you a clear picture of Azure? If you need more specific information and have any other questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos.